Good morning, Vita. We were doing chapter number 9, algebraic expression and identities. So let's continue with exercise 9.3, multiplication we were doing. Question number 5, first, second part we have done. Question number 5, C part, 3L, L minus 4M plus 5N, 4L, 10N minus 3M plus 2N. This thing is given. You have to subtract this from this. You have to subtract this term from this. So before subtraction, what you will do, you will solve the bracket first. You will open the bracket first and you will combine the terms. Then after that, you will subtract. So when you multiply this, L into L is L square. 3 4s are 12, LM. 3 5s are 15, LN. And this term is 10 4s are 40, LN. 3 4s are 12, LN. 2 4s are 8, L into L, L square. So I have written both the terms. Okay. Now you have to subtract this term from the second term. So the term that is to be subtracted, the sign of this term will be changed. Okay. Now write the term 40 LN. It is better to subtract in the horizontal manner because the terms are unlike. If you see this, order is changed. So, or you can change the order of this 8 L square minus 12 LM plus 40 LM. Do you know this thing? Whenever you are writing the terms by changing their order, sign will not change. Sign will remain same because we are not shifting the terms from the left side to the right, just we are changing their places because addition is commutative, so you can change their places. So 8L square I have written first, LM at the second place, this term at the third place. Why I have written this? Because in the first term, L square is at the first place, ML is at the second place, and third term contain LN. So 8L square minus 12LN plus 40LN. This term 3L square minus 12LN plus 15LN. Change their places, change their sign. For the subtraction, you will always change the sign. Plus minus minus, minus you will do 8 minus 3 is 5, sign will be of the greatest. Plus minus minus cancel, plus minus minus, you will subtract them and sign will be of the greatest. So the answer is 5L square plus 25LN. Let's start with the, yes, Akul, do you have any doubt?
मैम वहाँ पर सेकंड रो में तो ऑलरेडी मींस ऑपरेशंस लगे हुए हैं, साइन लगे हुए हैं, फिर आपने उसके नीचे क्यों लगाई हैं?
आपको ये पता नहीं माइनस में साइन चेंज होते हैं, जिसको माइनस करते हैं उसके साइन चेंज करते हैं। अगर आपको याद हो तो हमने जब सब्ट्रैक्ट का क्वेश्चन किया था तो हम क्या करते हैं, मैंने एक और हमने यही साइन चेंज करके इसको ऐड कर दिया। जब सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, जैसे मैं आपको कहूं कि सब्ट्रैक्ट 3A फ्रॉम 12A, अब 12A में से आप 3A को माइनस कर रहे हो। 3A तो प्लस का था, हमने माइनस क्यों लिखा है? क्योंकि हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं इसलिए लिखा है। तो ऐसे ही हम इस टर्म को क्या कर रहे हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट, तो इसको माइनस करना है, तो माइनस लिखेंगे ना, माइनस लिखने का मतलब सबके साथ माइनस लगा देंगे, तो साइन रिवर्स हो जाएंगे, जो माइनस का था वो प्लस का हो जाएगा, जो प्लस का था वो माइनस का। अब इसका साइन पहले प्लस था, अब ये प्लस नहीं है माइनस है, ये माइनस का था ये प्लस हो गया, जो प्लस का था ये माइनस हो गया। क्लियर? तो जब माइनस होता है, जैसे 3 ये पॉजिटिव था लेकिन नेगेटिव हो गया, क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि सब्ट्रैक्शन। ऐसे यहाँ पर भी सब्ट्रैक्शन हो रही है, तो जिसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं उसके साइन चेंज होंगे, नहीं तो करोगे कैसे सब्ट्रैक्ट? ठीक है, यस अंजनी।
मैम आपने लास्ट 5 मिनट्स में यही करवाया था, मेरी क्लास लेट ज्वाइन हुई थी।
लास्ट क्लास में मल्टीप्लाई कराया था, ये वाली मल्टीप्लाई कराई थी।
ओके मैम।
ठीक है, अभी और करेंगे मल्टीप्लाई के सब नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में। लास्ट क्लास में मल्टीप्लाई कराया था बेटा, मल्टीप्लाई एडिशन, जैसे ये सब्ट्रैक्ट किया वहां एडिशन करवाया। ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद 9.3 वी हैव फिनिश्ड। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ द बायनोमियल विद द बायनोमियल। 9.4 Beta, do practice of this question side by side. Otherwise, you will be having a lot of confusion after finishing this chapter. You need a lot of practice for this. First is 2x plus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 3. This term is binomial. This is also binomial. In the last class, we have done multiplication of monomial with the binomial, but now we are multiplying two binomials. So what you will do is, you will open first bracket. This first term 2x will be multiplied with this complete term. Then 5 plus 5 will be multiplied with this complete term. Is it okay? We have just written multiplication. We haven't done anything yet. We have just written 2x multiplied by this bracket plus 5 will be multiplied with this bracket. Now we will start the multiplication. Anjani, आप जो पूछ रहे थे मल्टीप्लाई, हमने इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन किए थे, मल्टीप्लाई वाले वही है, यहाँ पे डबल है वहां सिंगल किए थे। ठीक है, चलो इसको इससे करेंगे। 2 4 ज़ा 8, x इंटू एक्स इज x2, 2 3 ज़ा 6 x, ये पूरी टर्म इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगी 6 से। 4 5 ज़ा 20 x, 3 5 ज़ा 15. Now collect the like term. X square is single term, you will write as it is, plus minus 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 sign बढ़े वाले 15 से। Second part, multiplied, y will be multiplied with the second bracket, minus 8 will be multiplied with the second bracket. 3y square, y into y is y square, base is same, power will be added. 4 into y is 4y, 8 3s are 24, y minus का sign, minus minus plus 8 4s are 32. 3y square minus minus plus sign will be of the greatest. Any doubt? Do fourth part. Do fourth part of this question. Hurry up. which is second, circle the third part that we will do with exercise 9.5. I will tell you there that this question is related to 9.5 exercise that we will discuss there. Circle the third part and just make me remind at that time when we were discussing, then when we will discuss that exercise 9.5. Fifth part. Yes, Arish.
Ma'am, answer of fourth part.
Yes.
AX plus 5A plus 3BX plus 15B.
Okay, correct. Yes, we have to multiply this. Now you will open the first bracket. 2PQ will be multiplied with the second bracket. We are just writing, we will multiply in the next step. This 3Q square will be multiplied with the second bracket. Multiply this. 2 3s are 6. P into P is P square. Q into Q is Q square. 2 2s are 4. P Q raised to power 1, Q raised to power 2. When you multiply, power will be added. 3 3s are 9. P Q Q. Q square into Q, Q Q. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 3s are 6. Q raised to power 2. Base same, power added. Collect the like terms if there. These are the like terms. Collect them. 6 P square Q square plus 5 P Q cube minus 6 Q raised to power 4. Yes, look here. First bracket is given and in front of the second bracket 4 is given out. So firstly, we will multiply 4 with this. 4a square. 4 2s are 8 by 3b square. So firstly, we have taken this 4 that was given outside inside the bracket. Now, let's open the first bracket. 3 by 4 a square will be multiplied with this complete bracket. And this second term 3b square will be multiplied with this bracket. Multiply this. When you multiply this, 4 will cancel out. Answer will be 3a4. जब आप इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 2b square a square. When you multiply this, this is 12a square b square. When you multiply this, this is minus 8b raised to power 4. These are like term. 3a raised to power 4 plus 10 a square b square minus 8b raised to power 4. This is your answer. Start question number 2. That is again same. Question number 2. Start first part, second part. Hurry up. First and third part. Hurry up. Yes, Praksharan.
Ma'am, answer of first part.
Yes.
First part cancel 15 minus x minus 2x square.
15 minus x minus 2x square. Okay. Start the third part. Start third part, beta. All the questions are same. Please do all the parts. Hurry up. After third part, start the question number 3. Yes, Akul. Done third part?
No, I have a doubt.
Yes, yes.
मैम मुझे 6 क्वेश्चन का थर्ड स्टेप समझ नहीं आया। मैम ये सही बना।
Your first term will be multiplied with this complete bracket. 3b square second term will be multiplied with this complete bracket. I've just written these things. Then you will open the bracket. जब आप इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 4 कैंसिल 3 बच गया. जब आप इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 3 कैंसिल 4 1 जा 4 4 2 जा 8 2 आ गया. इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 3 4 जा 12. इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 3 कैंसिल 8 बच जाएगा. मैंने आपको न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट बता दिए. वेरिएबल्स यू ऑल नो. Collect the like terms and add their powers. Yes, Arish.
Yes, ma'am. And third का आंसर है a cube plus b square a square plus ba
आराम से a cube
plus b square a square
हाँ जी
plus ba
plus b cube plus b.
मैम थर्ड का फर्स्ट भी हो गया.
थर्ड का फर्स्ट भी हो गया. ओके wait. Yes, in the second question, any doubt from your side? If you have done the 2 parts. Question number 2, fourth part, p square minus q square 2p plus q. P square will be multiplied with this bracket. Minus q square will be multiplied with the second bracket. Now open the bracket. 2p cube, p square cube, 2p q square minus q cube. 2p cube plus minus minus. Sorry, these are different terms. You can't collect them. This is your answer. ये p square cube है, यहाँ पे q square p है. They are unlike terms, so leave it as it is. Now let's start with the third question. Now you will do each and every part of the third question. And if you all are able to do this question, that means the multiplication topic is clear and you all are able to do it. Question number 3, a square x square minus 5, x plus 5 plus 25. Now solve this first, then 25 will be added to that. Multiplication is again similar of this. X square will be multiplied with x plus 5, minus 5 will be multiplied with x plus 5, plus 25 is same. X cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 25 plus 25. Plus 25 minus 25 cancel out. Answer is x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Any doubt? Start the next one. Read this first part once, then you can start the second part. Hurry up.
थर्ड क्वेश्चन के सेकंड पार्ट का आंसर है a रेज टू पावर 2 b रेज टू पावर 3 प्लस 5b रेज टू पावर 3 प्लस 3a रेज टू पावर 2 प्लस 20.
Instead of speaking like this, a raised to power 3, a cube, 8 raised to power 2 means a square. Speak like this. Okay, Ananya? 5b raised to power 3 की जगह आप बोलोगे 5b cube, 3a square. Start the third part. All are same. Hurry up. If you are not able to do all the things, all the multiplication together, so better to solve each part separately, then you can add their answers also. Do the third part, beta. I have written fourth part. If you are able to solve all the things directly, then you can. Otherwise, you will solve this first separately, then second term, then third, then you will add the answers. Here's one more thing I want to tell you here. Instead of writing this step a multiplied by c minus d, b multiplied by c minus d, you can directly multiply by speaking like this. A को इससे multiply करेंगे ac, a को d से करेंगे ad, plus b को इससे करेंगे bc, b को d से करेंगे minus bd. This term a को c से करेंगे ac, a को d से करेंगे ad, minus b को c से minus bc, minus b को d से minus bd, plus twice of ac, twice of bd. Is it okay? So better to multiply verbally and write. Yes, Arish?
Ma'am, answer of third and fourth.
AC plus 2AC, 4AC, minus AD plus AD cancel out, plus BC minus BC cancel out, minus BD minus BD, minus twice of BD. बच्चे minus minus plus कर दिया, and we have one more twice of BD. This will cancel out. Answer is 4AC. Any doubt? Is it okay? Start the next part. In the next part also you have 4 terms. So you can multiply verbally as well as you can solve each part separately. Then you will add their answers. Look here, beta, 6th part. X will be multiplied with this whole bracket. X into x square is x cube. X into xy is x square y. X into y square is xy square. Y into x square is yx square. Y into this is xy square. Y into y square is y cube. Hope it is clear to you all. x square y x square y. This is negative, this is positive. Positive, negative cancel out. Answer is x cube minus plus y cube. Yes, I want to tell you here, this is the formula that you will do in the 9th class. Listen to me. This is the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab, that you will see in the 9th class in 2nd chapter. We will do 8-9 identities in that chapter and it is one of them. फॉर्मूला है ये a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब का, ठीक है. अगर माइनस का फॉर्मूला होता तो यहाँ माइनस, बाकी सारी जगह प्लस. ठीक है, करें स्टार्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कर लो स्टार्ट. आप मल्टीप्लाई का ही है, करो स्टार्ट. सेवंथ एंड 8th पार्ट हरी अप, आप करते जाओ, कंप्लीट करो इसे.
Yes, ma'am.
डन.
Ma'am, 7th I'm doing. Almost done.
चलो कर लो कंप्लीट. अनन्या डन.
Yes, ma'am. 7th का आंसर है 4.5x 12y is equal to 2.25x square minus 16y square.
इक्वल टू कहां से आ गया? You will get a combined answer. Collect the like terms. जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे ब्रैकेट के बाद प्लस है उसके साथ कंबाइन हो जाएगा. यस प्रभशरण डन. 7th पार्ट.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the
2.25x square minus 16y square.
2.25 में 2.25. After the decimal, if the terms are numbers are there, you can't speak it 25. It is 2.25. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Start the next 8th part. In the 8th part, 3 terms are given. So you will multiply each term of the first bracket with the second bracket. All terms will be multiplied with second terms bracket. पहले a दिया हुआ है, a को b plus c, a plus b minus c के साथ करोगे, फिर b को a plus b minus c के साथ करोगे, फिर c को b plus a plus b minus c के साथ. मतलब कि फर्स्ट टर्म की सारी टर्म्स को सेकंड टर्म के साथ, सेकंड ब्रैकेट की सारी टर्म्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करें एंड कलेक्ट द लाइक टर्म्स. Yes, Samiksha. Have you checked the answer, Samiksha? Yes, Prabsharan.
Ma'am, yes. At the bracket is also written a square plus b square minus c square plus 2ab.
Okay. You are getting the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I think we have left third part of this question, or we have done. We have done all the parts. Done. Okay.